This is for sure a very special moment for me right now. We have the engine started, there's no wind outside, and I am leaving the port or the marina that we have been using for the last 11 years. Been taking good care of our boat, that's for sure. And only one last rope to get, and then this is just another true sign that we are closing in on our Circumnavigation departure date. Wow. Yeah. It sure is strange to leave this marina for the last time. We will come back someday, but nobody knows when. Farewell, marina for this time. It's really strange. I must say it's more fair than enjoy just right now, but I know we will have a good time. Now it is 13, no it's not, it's 30th of December, so it's the end of the year. So now it's hopefully not more than 1.5 months left until we are leaving, mid-February. That's my goal. So that will be a big date for us when we find the date. And in the meantime, we'll just prepare so that we can have a nice departure with the whole family. And the worst thing is that it is actually quite sad to leave this beautiful surrounding. Of course, as a sailor I would like to have some more wind, but too little wind is definitely better than too much. So I'll just take down the fenders and secure the ropes. Yeah, off we go. We are. I'm taking the boat into Sandnes, where there is a workshop on the marina, so that I can do some more boat works, and that will also be our departure site. We will leave from Sandnes. We are not sure if we are leaving from the marina that I'm going to now, or if we will go into the marina of Sandnes, but that we'll just have to see how the departure arrangements will be. Hopefully no more than 1.5 months from now. Although I'm sad leaving, I must say. I couldn't have chosen a better day. Look at this magical view. Good time to show you a little bit about the biggest upgrades we are doing to the boat before departure. as you can see back here, we have a very limited space when we are going swimming, especially with the kids, and even when we are planning to do free diving, that's too little space. So I will show you a little video about how I built a boat platform that will be, it's ready built, but it is not connected, as you can see, but we're going to attach it back here, so we will have very much better space when we are going out swimming and free diving. So I will show you how I built the platform, even though it's not ready yet. It is ready to be installed. outside today. I think it's between 1 and 2 degrees Celsius, and as you can see, sea temperature, it's only 4 degrees in the sea, so that's a bit cold. And my wife is calling. Talk to you later. It's always fun to have some company while sailing, and I don't know if I can catch it on camera. No, they're gone. There's some ISO over there. I just keep forgetting the English name, but it looks like I scared them. That's how it is sometimes. Our sailboat is out. That's the first one I've seen today. So another project that I have ongoing is that I have ordered in a new eye, just like the one that this solar panel is installed on. And it's just a little bit longer. This one is 2 meters high, and the one I ordered is 3 meters high. So it will be tilted to the back of the boat, and that will make room for 2 solar panels. Then I will have to weld some bars in between. And that is the new hobby that I've gained during the winter. So I am now trying to learn how to weld, and to weld on thin stainless steel pipes. Yeah. So hopefully I don't burn a hole in the pipes, but I hope my welding skills will be developed during the next couple of weeks, so that everything goes fine. This is beautiful. This is close to Stavanger. Marinas everywhere. Small car ferries going in between the islands that don't have a bridge connected to them. This is Vassøy. Really nice houses, nice place. And soon I'm halfway. So now the sun is going down. It's starting to get really cold. It's getting dark. Smog is coming out. Beautiful snow covering the mountains. So the sun went down approximately an hour ago. It is 1 degree outside, and really chilly. There's just a little bit of wind. It's really cold, and yeah, closing in on the end of the trip, but I will film when I'm docking. I'm solo docking today, so I will show you how I do it. But sure, it's getting dark outside. Oh, the camera is actually doing pretty well. Yeah, maybe I will get this on film anyway. about time for mooring and closing in on the marina. So I will just time-lapse this for you, just to see how we're doing, but I'm not sure if there's enough light when I get there. It's about 15 more minutes, but we'll see how it goes. Less mooring poles than I anticipated, so I will have to work a little bit to secure the boat properly, but now we are safe for most weather that is in the forecasts, and it's just right over there the workshop is. And that's perfect, so I don't have to walk too long. Alright, that's it for this time. I will see you again soon. Bye bye. That's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from us. And if you hit the alert button as well, you will get notified whenever we release a new video.